Okay, Jared.
What?
Who are you?
A Quasimodo.
Quasimodo?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. There's Jared's little eye. Oh, where are you?
Can I?
Hi, Jared.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, here's Jared. And he's playing like he's the Hunchback of Notre Dame today. He's Quasimodo. And Papa helped him put his yellow blanket in his shirt so that he could have a hunchback. And a mosquito bit Jared's eye. Jared, look at Mommy for a minute.
Mommy, I want to see.
Okay, wait. Look at Mommy. No, not up. Hi. You can see his eyes kind of swollen. Sit up, hon. Sit up for a minute. So Mommy can see your eye.
I
Okay.
want to
Stand
see.
just like that. Sit just like that for just a second. No, I'll show you in just a second, okay? Look at Mommy. There's his eye. So,
Say cheese to me.
I thought he looked like
Say
Quasimodo.
cheese to me.
Cheese.
Cheese. Say
Alright.
cheese to me.
What's in your back?
And my Quasimodo.
Quasimodo. How come you look like Quasimodo?
Because I have to get up.
Alright, bye.
I got off by myself.
We'll see you later.
I don't want Quasimodo on me.
Okay.